In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop delegates receiving meeting invitations in Outlook. If you rely on a delegate to manage your calendar, Outlook can automatically send that person copies of your meeting requests and responses. That's convenient for some teams, but if you want to keep those invitations in your inbox only, you can turn that off without removing their ability to help with scheduling. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app and clicking File in the top left corner. From there, choose Account Settings, then Delegate Access. A Delegates window opens showing anyone who currently has access to your mailbox and what they can do. You'll see each delegate's permission for mail, calendar, tasks, and more, so it's clear what access they have today. Changes you make here take effect right away for your Microsoft 365 or Exchange account. Select the person you want to change and choose Permissions. In the Calendar Permissions section, uncheck the option that says, Delegate receives copies of meeting requests and responses sent to me. This stops the extra email notifications from being forwarded to them. Your delegate will still see the calendar and can manage items according to the permission level you set. If you want them to edit but not receive invites, set Calendar to Editor. When you're done, click OK to save. If you prefer not to send an automatic summary of these changes, clear the Automatically Send a Message to Delegate Summarizing These Permissions option before you close the dialog. This change affects new requests and responses going forward. It won't recall messages that have already been sent. If you manage multiple delegates, repeat this change for anyone who should stop receiving copies. If you no longer need someone to have delegate access at all, you can remove them. Back in the Delegates window, select the person and click Remove, then Confirm. This fully stops their access, including any invitation forwarding, while leaving your existing calendar items intact. There's also an alternative that's helpful if you just want someone to edit your calendar without delegate-style invite copies. Open Calendar, right-click your calendar folder, choose Properties, and go to the Permissions tab. Add the person and set their level to Editor so they can create and modify events. Because this is folder sharing rather than delegate access, Outlook won't send them meeting request copies. This approach is especially handy for the web or new Outlook experience, while keeping your invitations private. That's all you need to stop delegates from receiving meeting invitations while preserving the collaboration you want on your calendar. Thanks for watching.